产品啊。小新，你发个状态。就是微信可以发微信。
首先写一下直播的标题，介绍一下内容。
为什么要写个标题？
没有标题。
写产品。
首先，它里面有一个公司的页面。开始了。
点了开始。
对，开始就行。
点开始后。
我看到了。
没有，预备。可能网有点。
开始了。
对，这个商务人士就可能到现在。
可以了。Hello。
你开始吗？你开始了吗？啊，
Hello, good afternoon. This is Lancy from TEMAX Hardware, and on this afternoon, our team will have 1 hour show online to show some popular items and hot sales with competitive price. And TEMAX is a special supplier and exporter, also the producer of the furniture hardware, and majorly we are. This is sliding door system. Okay, this is capital hinge and drawer lock and connector free mini fixed connector and a sofa leg. So TEMAX has nearly include our hardware series for furniture hardware. So if you need any of these items, just please leave a message here on the left email or WhatsApp or here, and my manager can reply you on time. Today, we want to introduce you the cabinet support. This item. You can see this is item for the soft close flap stay, with flap stay and soft close function. Flap stay means you can stop your door. 这里可以看到，这看不到是吗？
可以。
Flap stay means you can stop your door. This item, let's show you on the function on the cabinet. Flap stay means you can stop your door at any degree when you want. So it can suit for the people with short. Let's see. One, two down, and they come into soft close. So this item can use for the aluminum frame door. Just need to replace this 6 right here. So you can use for 2 kinds of door, wooden door and aluminum frame door. This is the item. Okay. This is the function on the cabinet. You can see now. Now we can show you the package. This is for one set. One set, 2 pieces, one left, one right. For one door, for 2 doors. This is one set. Inside you can see the items were protected very well by the foam bag. Okay, you can see this one is right. And cabinet support. 给你看过去。
高一点。
OK， 这样可以吗？
再高一点。啊，这样可以。
This is for one set. One piece is right and one piece left. This is for 2 doors. And you can see inside with cabinet support and plastic cover. Plastic cover, the head fitting, two pieces head fitting. Okay, two pieces head fitting, and the two pieces connect hinge. This hinge is used for connect one door and two door. This for connecting. 15 accessory screws. Let's see what's this. This is a measure card. It's very useful in installing. You can see anything. So many size here. So you only need to put on the cabinet panel, cabinet board, and then join the whole screw hole as per this size. Put there, and as per this size, very easy. You don't need to use the ruler or anything to measure by your hand. Just use this card. It's very easy. And you see different card here. Here is also left and right, different size, left and right. When you put on left or on the right, you can see this clear size here. It's very easy for installing. At the same moment, you can see our video on the show. The video is for to explain to you installing and the function and some features of this item. You can see also can check the video here. This is installing instruction. Okay. This item is suitable. Smaller size and different category. You can tell us your door size, the height and the width, and also your door weight. We can choose the suitable items for you. We can adjust the size according to the door. You can see we have many options. Many options here is marked different door size and different door weight. Also, if you have a different weight for this list, you also can inform us. We can do that for you. Again, this is the mirror lens. Okay, one moment. Let's see the video firstly. Yeah, this is. Accessory. This is a hinge for connecting two doors. One on the first door and the second door.
你继续啊。
没有是吗？要不然我现在重合掉了。
你先把这个视频关了，先讲。
你有可能是吗？ Okay, let's continue. This item is suitable for different door size and door weight. You can see here, this is a list for your door, for your truss. So you can match your different size door and different weight door. If you do, this is two pieces hinge. Two pieces hinge is just for standard size door. If you do have more wide or more big door, we need to add an extra hinge only. This is for two pieces. If you have your door is very big and very heavy, we can add extra more one. So you need to use the three pieces hinge. This item we have passed SGS test report. Let me test. Item in the market 2-3 years, we get a very good feedback and the reputation in the market. The client feedback as the quality is very good and the function is super. You can see this SGS test report. If you need any test report, you can leave us a message. We can send it by Excel or by PDF file. Okay, this is the door. Okay, one more thing. This cabinet support here, you can see a cycle here. A cycle. This place is useful to print your logo, so we can do OEM for you. This is a gray color box. Also, so we can OEM. We can OEM your brand name. This item for big capacity is 13 kilogram. 13 kilogram. I think this weight is enough for the cabinet door. Okay, let's show you the function again. Open, two door, very easy. It's not very strong. No. Okay. Actually, this is also video to show here also. Okay, so close. This is the first one item. This is super gold finish. Yes, finish color is shiny. Finish color is very smooth and shiny. This part is POM plastic. It's strong. This is gray color. Okay, this is the first item. Anybody interested in this item? Or any question? We have new friends here. Okay, now let's continue the second item. Now we show you the flap stay soft close cabinet for a single one door. That's one for two door. So this cabinet suppose you only need two pieces suppose only. You don't need any suppose hinge. You don't need. Come into flap stay. Stop at any degree what you want. Stop. Okay. Come into subclose function. Try again. Open. Stop. Okay. Flap. Also can use for the wooden and aluminum frame door. We show you how in our showroom is only the door is wooden door. You also can use the aluminum frame door also. Okay, let's show you the packing. This for one set packing. Also same. One set include one piece right and one piece left. And open the bag, open the box. Same inside, we also have the major installing the card. Shipping you. You can see the video. Yes, use the card to drain the hole. Connecting, clip on, like a clip on hinge. Finish installing. Okay, here we see the packing. This is for one set. Show inside. Show inside. You can see the item is also protected by the foam. Many foam here. It can guarantee the item quality well. If usually used by sea is very fast, so we need to protect the items very well by good packing. Two pieces, one left and one right, and also screw. Here is the gray plastic cover. This cycle, okay, also OEMA brand name here. Okay. This item in the special feature is when used for one door, two pieces. You don't need any hinge. It can replace two items, the hinge and the cabinet support. So it's good. Okay. Let us do video again. Just one moment. Yes, the video can. Can you see Chinese? 你好，下午好。Are you interested in this item? Are you interested in these two items? The cabinet flap stick close cabinet support. 他是谁？Chantal，就是那个 Meta，我是不是信息很滞后了？是滞后。谢谢。Okay, yes. Now is our set item. This one. Oh, this one is many friends knew this item because this one is why 5 years we still continue this item because the quality and the price and the function is very good. So the more and more clients continue to buy and import close. The most popular one is this one. First one for double door, for 2 door, and this one for 1 piece door. For 1 door, and also this one for 1 door. Okay. So maybe some family you have a kitchen cabinet for 2 door or 1 door. We can match all your model, all your function. And this is 3 models of. Okay, let's turn on next one. Next part, I want to introduce you. 有没有手套啊？手套。小心，往外拿几种，往外帮我拿些手套。Next part, we want to introduce you some. 小心帮我发一下那个微信的那个什么，发微信里面那个链接。And your friends, no new message. Hi, welcome to TEMAX. Welcome to TEMAX Hardware Show. TEMAX specializing for the furniture hardware, including the hinge, cabinet support, handle.
不要点到那个视频采集的那个喇叭啊。
Okay, we just finished cabinet support. Next part, let's see. Introduce you some 3D adjustable hinge. Okay, that's right. Let's introduce you one by one. Today I want to introduce you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, 5 models. The first one, clip-on, long buffer. Okay. This one, the weight is 103 grams. So close. The soft close speed is around 5 seconds, I think. 4 to 5. This hinge open soft close is 30,000 times. Okay, let me show you twister. 你看那条螺丝吗？
看到，你对着镜头。你可以靠近一点，啊，这样。
这样。
垫一下。可以。
It's ready. Okay. Displayed. Okay, it's ready played. The gram is 103 grams. If you ask me what's the feature of this one, I want to reply you, the feature is that price is very competitive. This one, we have a customer placed the order already 5 containers. 5 containers is around 1 million pieces. This one for Egypt market. So any friends from Egypt, if you are from Egypt, maybe you can see this the model in your market, because we have a famous brand client in Egypt, from the Middle East, Egypt country. So if you're from Egypt, maybe you also need this one. Just left a message and send us your email and WhatsApp. We can see your price. Only for people. Okay. This is 3D hinge. Okay. The first one. This is the second one. It's similar one actually, but the difference is that this button is iron. This button is thin alloy, and this is more heavy. This is the weight is 114 grams. This is also. Let me show you the back side. Buffer. Clip on. This one, if some customers want a more heavy 3D hinge, you can choose this one. Let me tell you, just wait. 没人讲我要睡觉了。
没事。
哎，
我讲这个说，你醒醒。
is 117， 看到吗？
看不到。
算了。
那个可以留言。
Yes, it's 114 gram. This one. Let me twist. 哎呀，这个镜头很不好调。This is also twisted.
停一下。
This is heavy one. This one is 120 gram. It's ready for the Indian market. More heavy hinge. This one is 120. You 放图片吗？放下图片，这个给我，感觉都是我们的人，4个人。Clip-on 3D hinge and soft close. Soft close. One. This is very important. This one is actually all customer call it the 5D. Why? Because we accept the 3D plate, and also we can have a special function here. This button. It can have turn on and turn off, turn on and turn off the button. This button is red plastic. This material is POM. Why we change is plastic? Because plastic don't have a loose effect, don't have loose problem. We know if a metal like iron material will have when you put in the water or the moisture environment, you can use the loose. But this plastic pattern, you don't worry this kind of problem. This is also 3D. 放 Let's say maybe you didn't find any buffer, you didn't set any soft close buffer here, but actually it's inside here. So it's a special new design here. This red color plastic part is the buffer, so you can see it's also soft close. See, this one can soft close cycle is the 50,000 times, 10,000 times. And also is a two-way. You can see very obviously you can see the cup have a little stick here. When you close the door, little stick, and then go into soft close. This is two-way. That's it. Why is this here? This part is for mini soft close. What is mini soft close? It means when your door like open 50 degree, 15 degree, like here. Small angle, you also can get soft close. Okay, small angle, soft close. Okay. And one special feature is here. Now this button is turn on. Turn on means the soft close is opening, so we can get a soft close. Let's see what happens if we make it turn off. Let's see. Going to turn off. Turn off. 吹那么找一只，这只不行，不是可以的。Like a normal soft close, normal one, no soft close. See? Okay, this is this one. This one is a very special one. Actually, we'll introduce you this one, special one. 怎么了？到底好了？哦，没了。And you can see this this one is last one is last reading hinge is 160 degree. Also, some people say it's 180 degree. You can see with this reading. Special. It's normally the normal plate, but we can match 160 degree hinge with the 3D plate. You can see this is 3D. Okay, so close. There's a clip on. Clip on. Here, clip on button. This is the first 3D hinge. Let's see. Oh, last item I want to introduce you. Now we have a promotion of stainless steel hinge. T-bar. T-model stainless steel hinge. This one we can produce the very all automatically by the machine. You can see the video. 放了吗？Stainless steel hinge. We can do this diameter here. This diameter 10 and or 12. The hinge is the 32. This one is hollow. Hollow tube. Hollow. You can do a different size. I will introduce you about the.
镜头太远了。方便你手上的东西。
Okay.
对。
Okay, in the following half an hour, I will introduce the hot cell, the sliding door ruler systems. As you can see, I first show you on our catalog. Yeah, for the sliding door ruler, we have two types, two series. One is for the big door, for used on the partitioning door, and one is for the cabinet, the wardrobe, for the wardrobe, like the 柜子吗？可以。Like the wardrobe, the door ruler used here. OK，
我先讲 M981D，先帮我放那个视频。
OK。Wait, I show you the samples. Let's first start with the sliding door ruler. For the vertical now, we have 3 types. Wait a moment, I show you samples. And this one, and first one, second one. Okay, the first type with this is the top ruler and the bottom ruler with the brush here. And the top one is much smaller. Now we have 这个是 M05对吧？
还是有声音，为什么？
你把上面那个关掉。
声音关了已经。
它延迟，应该是延迟。延迟。
这种可以后知后觉。
对，你不要拉那么大，拉小一点。小一点。
这怎么拖动？哦，
就这样。Okay, now the weight calculation. This we call the visible installation. Visible, it means there's no need to open slot on the cabinet door. There's no need open the slot and just fix the ruler with the screw here. No need open the slot. And for this one, one set include 4 pieces top ruler, the damper,
also know that for one cabinet, normally top ruler, the damper, put the damper here. And in the damper, here is two like this, and fix. First, release the screw here. You see? 啊，这个有点紧，看不到是吗？
现在可以，刚才不行。
Wait, I release the screw. And for the damper, use the bottle, the borrow, the ribbon on the each side of the damper for the directions. See? Put the damper here, and the top ruler is this one without the brush. It's much smaller. For example, with the pen like this. See? The panel, no need. For example, we take this book as the door panel, and no need the slot, just the screw fixed. And this, like this, see, like this, working, the working function, like this. Same for the bottom trick, like this, bottom trick.
还有视频吗？
啊，不用，暂时不用。
啊？
暂时不用。
放视频吗？
不用。Bottom trick. And further, you can see for the bottom trick why there's another cover. Another cover is between these sides to prevent the dust. If you know this, and this easy to have the dust, for a long time in the home. Maybe it's not easy to clean the dust here. And also this trick, this bottom trick, to fix. For example, the floor. This is the floor, and this need to the screw to fix it. So if without this cover, you can see the screw here. Maybe not good looking. So if you have the cover, then you can see nothing, and it is in the same level. Two reasons. One is cover the screw. And another is prevent the dust here. Okay, this is the trick for this visible. For this visible sliding door ruler. And okay, let me show you another one. Another one, this one. This one, bottom ruler, same. There's no difference for top and bottom. One set 8 pieces ruler is same design, same looking. And this is the zinc alloy material. This zinc alloy. And this panel is iron frost finished. You can see the finish, the surface, frost. For this type of the surface, it's not easy to scratch. You can see, not easy to scratch for this this type finish. Okay, compared to the difference for these two types, two models. The difference. First one is about the installation. For this one with brush, no need to open slot. And but for this one, in with so when install on the door, must open the slot on the door. Must open slot. I show you the panel.
我的那个把杆，
我刚刚装的那个把。Almost about half length. But for this one, two sides and the bottom is both covered by the SS material. This and this is SS material. Though the total length is different, but the stroke, which I show you the stroke. You can see the stroke, the length. Stroke length is same. I can measure the. I measured how much. You can see about 50. Okay, 50. The stroke is 50. Stroke 50. And we have and this one, the shorter one, the new one, the same length, the same length. The long but also covered by the iron in 3 sides. The stroke. This one is the older one, and this one is the cheapest one. This one is the cheapest one. The quality rank for these 3 types, and this one is the most best. This one is the most best quality, and this one second, and this one the least one, the least. Because for this one, one the door ruler, and
哥哥，你能听到声音吗？
Hi, hello friend. Is any product you have interest? Just I have introduced 3 types sliding door ruler for the wardrobe. This one and this one with a brush, and this one without the brush. Is there any interesting? Okay, these 3 types all come with the damper, so it has the soft clothing functions. Some customers maybe need some cheaper ruler for the wardrobe and without the soft clothing. Then we would like to recommend you.
行，快了。
This type we mainly export to the Egypt and some Middle East countries. So those countries can contact us for this price. And this one is very cheap. And this we have different weights. The light weight is 135 grams, and the 175 grams. For this one, different design, we can ODM. For different design, we can ODM. This with the plastic look here, and we can also make without hole here, and with screw, and same as this one with screw here. With screw here, also different design can ODM. And this is another one. This one load capacity is 40 to 50 kgs. And you can see this look issue. How to see? Wait, it needs some stress. My strength maybe a little. Cannot about 50 kgs. It's too heavy. Okay, for this one we can match a different type top ruler. And this is one of the. 你可以帮我放一下那个黑轮的那个上轮图片。The different top ruler available.
哪个上？
This one and wait, I show the picture for the different ruler.
哪个是？上科学是吗？对呀。
马上。没打开。哦。Okay, the picture is for the top ruler available. Two different.